Sawadee krap. It's always good to see people being proud of what they do and keep up the good spirit. Good morning. It's Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning, and I just did a walk, and I walked from Nana to Asoke, and I just realized the nice lights that I have here in Asoke Road now. So I'm just gonna make a second video. And Asoke Road is one of the main business roads in Bangkok, so you have a lot of offices. And of course it's looking very different in the morning, and especially on Sunday morning, than when you come here normally in the daytime or in the evening. Most videos I made here, or most videos that you'll see here, is that it's completely packed and stuck with traffic. So today it's gonna look a little bit different. Yeah, we're having the sunrise. The sun just came up half an hour ago. And same as with the sunset, you get this same kind of nice glow and golden shine. I always call this the CSI Miami shine. I don't know if you ever noticed, but if you watch CSI, they are always these guys, they live 24 hours in sunset. Maybe it's the best time to solve crimes, I don't know. Or it gives these really cool shots. And I get them now because I do the same thing. Yeah, so join me in a leisurely stroll through Asoke. Very different from the busy street that you normally see. You know, and it's funny, when you come on different times, you see the city very different as well. And this is just one example. This is a museum. And normally you will pass here and you will never even notice it. But because it's quieter, I mean, obviously I saw it before. But it's funny how it's how actually all these buildings are built around it now. So this is the Siam Society. So the Siam Society is aimed to promote the study of liberal arts and science. Okay? Just so you know. I love walking around this time because it's just relatively fresh, and same as in Sukhumvit, you see a lot of people jogging because this is the perfect time to get some morning exercise, and instead of spending that in a gym, it's much nicer, of course, to just do it on the street. always see a lot of workers, like a lot of construction workers that are getting to their job now, Many times you see them in the big trucks, or they go with their bicycles. And as usual in Bangkok you have the street food stalls. Yeah, so all these people that you see now with the bicycle, they are working on the construction sites and they are on their way to work. It's important to keep the city clean. I see they are doing some trimming here on the bushes. See, here's one of these buses that I say, or not buses, this is a pickup truck that brings the people to work. So it's a very different vibe now in the city. People are working, but it's not the office workers. Yeah, you have to imagine in the day it is too hot to do all these kind of jobs. So it's better to do this early morning, of course. Sawadee krap. It's always good to see people being proud of what they do and keep up the good spirit. Yeah, as you can see, all these trees are actually grown into the wires here, so they have to be quite careful. And it's quite important to get them out because Sawadee krap. Krap. Yeah, I mean, normally this is also not a sight that I see every day. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk towards the Sansep Klong, the canal, and then I'm gonna walk back home and have a breakfast because I went away way early and I'm getting hungry, dudes. Yeah, I should actually come and make another one in the morning, but then in a weekday. Because obviously on a Sunday there's not so many people working now, so it's quieter. Here you have the Asoke which is the tallest building in the area here. Or just a fun fact from Global Travel Night, or maybe Sukhumvit Homes. And this is the Midtown Mall, you could say. This is what we consider a small shopping mall. And it's mainly food. And this you might recognize, this is the GMM Grammy. I made a video a few weeks ago about the Netflix promotion that I saw, and after that I went here. Yeah, I mentioned it in my last video, and I'm gonna repeat myself a little bit. I'm also trying to be a little bit more active on Instagram. So if you go on Instagram and get Global Travel Mate, I will try and upload pictures. I try to make pictures when I'm filming, and then I will upload so you can have a bit of a preview to know what's coming up, because normally it takes 1 or 2 days before I upload something. So if you want to have updates like that, feel free to subscribe there as well. You know, I'm so nice. I let you guys free in everything. You don't have to do it, but feel free, man. I'm just thinking what is interesting. I could go and have a quick stroll through the university area here. So people are making their breakfast here, or buying them. It's always a big thing in Thailand. You have your street foods. So this is the university area. Well, that actually looks pretty cool with the sunrise. So Srinakarin Virot. Srinakarin Virot. So this is the Srinakarin Virot University. It's difficult to say this one. SWU. Yeah, this is also a perfect place to do some exercise. And you see, especially in the evening, you see a lot of people doing their sports here. Yeah, that's the thing in a city like Bangkok where it's so warm. You tend to do a lot of stuff in the morning. Because if you would run here in the day, you would fry yourself. Okay. So I'm actually gonna finish this part over here. I know I promised that I would go to the Klong, but I think this is a better place to end this update. So I hope you liked this walk through Asoke Road. If you did, feel free to subscribe. I see you guys in my next video. I see these two dogs here. They look actually nice. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.